Welcome back to the podcast. Today we're talking about resident versus non-resident accounts and which one do you need. One of the first banking decisions you'll make in Spain is choosing the right type of account. Spain offers two primary account types for foreigners: resident accounts and non-resident accounts. The right choice depends on your legal status. If you're still establishing residency or spending limited time in Spain, a non-resident account may be appropriate. These accounts allow you to receive funds, make payments, and manage everyday banking. Once you've established legal residency, resident accounts generally offer additional benefits and access to a broader range of services. Many Americans start with a non-resident account and transition later. The important thing is understanding where you are in the process and selecting the account that matches your situation. Getting this right early can make the rest of your relocation much smoother. In the next episode, we'll cover the one document that affects almost every administrative task in Spain. Tune in next time to find out what that is. From planning and packing to customs and delivery, SDC International Shipping helps make your move to Spain easier. Learn more on their website, movertospain.com, or call 844-651-7050.